Hey, speaking of creative church conversions, you ought to see inside this baby. Let me introduce myself. My name's Henry McClure. I'm in the real estate business. This is my 45th year. Jimmy Carter was president when I started. Interest rates were 18 to 22%. I loved Trump's lecture to those at Davos, to the world bankers. Is it Jamie Dimon even? Hey, you got to start making loans to conservative people. I know I'm supposed to be in Riverside about right now, but I asked for clemency and leniency. Whoop! Oops. It's the city's responsibility to maintain those sidewalks, isn't it? So, I'm basically at the corner of Western and Huntoon. I've been in here before. This is really cool. What are y'all doing today? What are you up to? I've asked the research department to look into the laws about the code compliance and all that. We'll keep Henry McClure alive, and informed. I'm hoping this door's open. Look at that. Look at that. We got lucky. All right, check it out. I'm meeting the owner here in a minute. We got a client coming. Hey, there he is right there. Good morning, Mr. Brown. He's acting all camera shy, I think, or he's got laryngitis. Those look like for pickleball. Look at this. So you originally had a basketball league for your son, right?
For lots of kids.
All right, I'm going to get the skinny. Anything you want to say, or are you being camera shy?
No, we're good.
All right.
Get your fella and we'll show you what we got.
So just the way it works, life works. I called him because of... hell, I don't even know why I called you now. What does it matter? So I walk into the next appointment. Next thing I know, the guy needs a gym. And here we are. Just the way it works. But we did talk about Huntoon and Medford, you know, the Orthodox Church. Oh, that's why I called. I didn't know if there was a way to hold temporary services here, but it doesn't work out. But it never hurts to call a friend. I'm hoping that Father Nikolai and Father Lightcap can work it out. Orthodox and Episcopalians ought to be able to make a deal. All right, that's all I got for now. I'll report back later. Hey, and if anybody's watching this video that knows I'm supposed to be in Riverside, why don't you call the Riverside people and tell them I'm on the way right after this meeting. Talk to y'all.